Thinking about selling your house as is? Stop. Watch this before you make a decision that you may regret. I'm Tom Arnold with RE/MAX Realty. Today we're talking about the pros and cons of selling your home as is. Now, every home starts out as an as-is sale. Then the buyer gets to do his inspections. If he finds some things he'd like repaired, he can come back to the seller and say, hey, we'd like to have these things repaired. Now, as a seller, you don't have to do anything. The only thing you have to do is have smoke detectors in your house, a carbon monoxide detector, and have your hot water heater double strapped. Now, let's start with the pros of selling your home as is. The first one is convenience. There's no back and forth haggling with the buyer. If the fixtures are outdated, you're not going to replace them. If the carpet is old and maybe dirty, you're not going to clean it or replace it. Convenience. Selling your home as is. Pro number 2 is you're saving time. If you're going to sell your home as is, you can do the listing agreement, put it on the market, and have it on the market real quick. Now, if your home's in a trust, maybe you're getting divorced, for some reason you have to have a quick sale, selling your home as is may be the way to go. Pro number 3 is you're going to be saving money. If you don't have a lot of disposable income to pay for repairs, you're going to have to sell your home as is. Now, if you can do repairs yourself, that's one thing. But if you have to hire contractors, it can be very expensive to get these repairs done. So maybe selling your home as is for you may be the way to go. So you're selling your house as is. You say, Tom, this is great. I don't want to pay for nothing. I don't want to fix nothing. But there could be downsides. Con number 1 to selling your house as is, you may scare some buyers away. When you put your home on the market, hopefully you're going to take professional pictures. Buyers go online and look at these pictures. If they don't see any upgrades and there's no curb appeal and maybe the carpet doesn't look too good, buyers aren't even going to come around. They're going to look at the pictures online. They're going to say, this one doesn't look too good. Let's go to the next one. So you may scare buyers away. Con number 2 to selling your home as is, you're probably going to have to accept a lower offer. Now, in the beginning, you're going to do a comparative market analysis. You're going to compare your homes to all the other homes in the neighborhood and come up with a price that you think is right. But if your neighbor has maybe upgraded flooring, upgraded the bathrooms, has a new roof, buyers are going to look at that home compared to yours. And if they make an offer on yours, it's probably going to be a lower offer. So selling your home as is, you're probably going to have to accept a lower offer. Con number 3 to selling your home as is, you may face some loan type restrictions. Now, certain loans, like VA loans, have health and safety requirements that are a little more restrictive than conventional loans. Now, let's say you get a veteran who wants to buy your home. He does a pest inspection. He finds a little dry rot around your roof, maybe a few termites under your house. His lender may say, I'm not loaning you money till you get those items repaired. Now, if you say, I'm selling my house as is, I'm not fixing nothing, you may lose that veteran who wants to buy your home with a VA home loan. So while you may save money on the front end, you may lose tens of thousands of dollars in the end on the sale price. Selling your home as is can be the right move, but only if it fits your situation. So if you're thinking about selling your home as is, let's talk. I'll help you weigh your options, compare net profits, and together we'll decide what's best for your home.